If you like vinyl like me, comment vinyl. Discover the nostalgic allure of playing cherished vinyl records on a turntable, an experience unparalleled by modern music apps on your phone. The inherent inconvenience of handling records demands a heightened focus on the music, transcending it from mere background noise to a captivating auditory centerpiece. A quality turntable should elevate this process, offering both user-friendly operation and superior sound quality to breathe life into the music. Number 5. Angel's Horn, H019. All-in-one record players often suffer from subpar sound quality, but the Angel's Horn H019 defies expectations with its clear and full sound. Featuring a wood finish top, metal platter and a robust, adjustable tone arm, this turntable exudes quality. Equipped with an Audio-Technica AT3600L phono cartridge, it supports Bluetooth and analog audio input for versatile music playback. Though requiring some setup, the manual provides clear instructions. Number 4. U-Turn Orbit. Basic. For those willing to forego some conveniences like easy speed switching and auto stop, the U-Turn Orbit. Basic offers commendable sound quality at an affordable price. Its simple design ensures a quick setup, and customization options include a built-in phono preamp, color choices, cartridge upgrades, and the option to add a Q lever later on. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LPW50 BT. If you seek a built-in phono preamp and Bluetooth output, the Audio-Technica AT-LPW50 BT is a top choice. Although slightly trailing in sound quality, its usability and functionality out of the box surpass competitors. Supporting 33 revolutions per minute and 45 revolutions per minute records, the turntable boasts intuitive Bluetooth connectivity and a line-level output. While not as high quality in materials, it offers convenience in a single finish, rosewood. Number 2. Project Debut, Carbon Evo. Tailored for modern recordings emphasizing bass and lower mid-range, the Project Debut Carbon Evo excels in tight bass, wide soundstage, and detailed mid-range and treble. Superb build quality, and included Sumiko Rainier phono cartridge, and easy setup characterize this turntable. It supports 78 revolutions per minute records with a belt swap, and provides numerous upgrade options over time. Number 1. Fluence RT85N. The Fluence RT85N stands out as an exceptional all-around turntable, effortlessly combining ease of use with minimal sound interference. Boasting an acrylic platter, the heaviest plinth among non-DJ turntables, sound isolation feet, and the superior Nagaoka MP110 phono cartridge, it delivers an accurate representation of any record. With features like a Q lever, counterweight dial, and auto-stop function, it ensures a user-friendly experience. While lacking a built-in phono preamp, this may not be a concern for most users, as many audio receivers come with their own built-in preamp.